Welcome to JB Tooltech. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about our control bolting division. Within this division we have several means of bolting, and we're going to speak to you about the torque, the tension, in hydraulic, pneumatic, electric, and yeah, we'll just show you a few of our products. Certain customers have certain requirements, and we have a customer that requires several size bolts. So what we tend to do, rather than just supply all the different types of cassettes, that's your drive body, that's your cassette, we actually provide them with inserts. So you get the biggest insert, we get the biggest cassette, and then put smaller inserts into that cassette, and you can use on whatever size nut you need. They come in all different sizes. We actually make all these locally, and they're made out of high-speed steel, high-speed tool steel. So yeah, very durable. So that is a very good cost saving method. So you need one drive body, one cassette, and then you can have all your inserts, and that really fixes up the customer's requirements as far as a costing method. We also have, as part of the bolting, we also have a what we call a backup wrench. Now the backup wrench simply goes on the bottom of the nut on the bottom of the stud, and when we lock it on, we have a hand release there to wind the reaction point in and out. So they all, again, if Josh can just hone in on this, they all come in different sizes. The simplicity of putting the different sizes on, and I'll just show Josh the operation here. The simplicity is, clicks that out, comes straight out, put your next size in, and then off you go. So that's the backup wrench side of it. Also with the TorcUP product, we do have the pneumatic version. This particular one is a 3,000 foot-pound unit, roughly 4,000 newton meters, at about, well, I think it's about 70 psi, somewhere around there. But we have a calibrated gauge on an FRL, and that'll give you your exact torque that you require. As well as the pneumatic version, we have the square drive tools. Square drive tool from TorcUP, beautiful tool, very simple to use, not many moving parts, reaction arms interchangeable, so easy, swivels at the top. Yeah, what you see is what you get. It's a beautiful tool. It requires very minimum service, very easy to use, and yeah, we've been using these for good on 10 years, and it's been a beautiful tool, and had some great results with it. So they come in all different sizes, anywhere up to 60,000 foot-pounds. So whatever size you require, we have there. Accessories are reaction arms. We can have short, long, whatever you need. Any reaction arm you need, we can manufacture it to. TorcUP also have the air and electric range of pumps. Single port for one tool. We come in quad port. We have the pneumatic version, very simple unit. We put a cage on it for you. They now come with certification, calibrated gauges, so that's free of charge when we provide that unit to you. And again, we've been using the same pump for near on 10 years, and with nothing but great results. So most of the pumps are still in service, most of the tools are still in service, so we've had some really good feedback back from customers. And as far as our service guides, we find them very, very easy to service those particular tools. As well as that type of equipment, we also have a full range of torque wrenches. The torque wrenches are by Tohnichi, Japanese company, and one of the largest manufacturers of torque wrenches in the world. I know you've all heard of the common brands that are used in Australia. These particular units come in all different ratchet heads. They come in all different sizes, whether you want digital units with torque and angle, we have them as well. So all these units are all available through JB Tooltech, and we keep all these units ex stock. So anything from 1 newton metre up to 2,000 newton metres we'll have in stock. There's a big unit there, Josh, if you just want to show that on the dial type one there, brake bars, we have all that sort of stuff in stock. All the hoses and the fittings, we only use Cejn product. Now, with the Cejn product, we get the certification, we get the calibration on the hoses, we get all the conformity requirements that come along with the hose. So we know that if we're using a 10,000 psi hose, We have all the calibration, the certification, it's all been burst tested, it's all there. That's that type of product. As well as out of Germany, we bring in a torque multiplier, a range of torque multipliers. Now this particular unit is a 16:1 unit. The ease of the gears to rotate that around is very nice. It also comes with its own calibration certificate. Now I'm not sure what other multipliers come with calibration certificate, but ours come with a calibration certificate, and we provide that service as well. If you're looking for something to do the heavy bolts, and you're looking for something electric, we have a German tool. Now this German tool we use for torque and angle. So we can set it at a snug torque and then do a rotation. So if we set this tool at a 50 Newton metre plus 220 degrees of rotation, you give us 1600 Newton metres final torque. That's what we do. So that's that tool. It comes in all different configurations. It comes in a battery tool as well. So the battery cordless tool is also a gate valve tool. So the gate valve tool has special software in it. Now that software allows for slow start and slow finish. So when we're actually closing the valve or opening the valve, the tool has its own software to allow that tool to go into slow mode, so we're not going to damage the tool. So that covers off all the different electric side of our bolting. As well as that, we've been representing since the 50s a company by the name of Uryu. It mightn't be as well known as the Ingersoll Rands and all those type of tools out there, but these tools are made tough. They're made in Japan, and there's all sorts of configurations on these tools as well. With these particular tools, it's all steel. There's no composite. There's no plastic end plates. There's no everything Teflon coated end plates and all that sort of stuff. We have particular tools that are very unique. Now these tools are called a pulse tool. Very much like an impact tool in its operation, but a lot smoother, but it actually shuts off to the preset torque. So that comes anywhere from 1 Newton metre up to 800, 1,000 Newton metres. So we have those as well. So that's just like some of the range of the tools that we do. Again, we do full calibration, full service. Doesn't matter whether it's an electric tool, a hydraulic tool, a pneumatic tool. We calibrate that tool. We give you a current certificate with that tool every time it goes out. And all our accessories include the Cejn product, which is a world-renowned product. And with TorcUP as well, they do a range of sockets that cover off all different sizes. So if we're talking about impact sockets, slugger wrenches, we cover that off as well. So yeah, so that's about all I really wanted to speak to you about today. The only other thing I did want to mention is that when you do buy tools from JB Tooltech, we tend to look at supplying a turnkey solution, and in that turnkey solution, we'll package up in nice boxes all your requirements, shipping containers, side boxes, plastic boxes to put everything in one area with all your certificates and everything like that enclosed. We'll do all that for you and at no cost. So that's what we try to do, and as that little bit of extra. And yeah, thanks for listening to us. And just in closing, any more information you need, please contact JB Tooltech. You can find their website at www.jbtooltech, as in TOOLTech.com.au. jbtooltech.com.au. Thank you.